If you're wondering how to leverage the reading rainbow trend on TikTok so that you can do it in a way that would benefit your business and not just have you goofing around and wasting your time, well, then this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into actual customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and since I love helping students to create content marketing that converts on any platform, I figured I'd create this video titled How an Entrepreneur Uses the Reading Rainbow Trend on TikTok. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, let's get into it. The steps to create the content. Now, I know that if you're a more, say, mature entrepreneur, you're not necessarily going to be familiar with TikTok like it's the back of your hand. So let's go through the steps to create the content in question, which is the Reading Rainbow Trend TikTok video. Here we go. First, log into the app, of course. Second, once you're at the home screen, there's a student of mine, Flora Skin Lab, so make sure you go give her some love. Anyway, once you're on the home screen, tap the Discover option on the bottom tray of icons, and that will take you to the Discover page. Once you're on the Discover page, click the search bar or box at the top of that screen. At that point, you'll enter in wording like Reading Rainbow Trend, and then you search for that search term. Once you're in there, you'll want to keep the top toggled as an option, and you'll want to select one of these top performing TikTok videos so that you can use their sound. When you've clicked on one of them, just go right to the bottom right-hand corner and you'll see the little record icon or image spinning, and that's the sound that they're using. Once you've clicked on that little record icon, you'll be taken to the page where the sound lives and where all of the TikTok videos that have been created using that sound are also indexed. You want to click on the big red button that says Use this sound. Once you're in the editing studio, you'll want to pick the space effect. You would just tap on the effects icon that would appear and then search on the word space. You'll want to choose this particular special effect and just click on the big red button that says Try this effect. You're probably going to want to let the effect play through at least 1 or 2 times to get a sense of what's happening so that you can act along with what's going on in the background. You do not want to overthink this or spend too much time doing this. One of the beautiful things about this type of content marketing is you want it to be quick and fun. So next, you'll want to put some funny quote on the screen. Here, I'm just doing something throwaway and personal to be witty as the mother of a teenager. You can find the text tool down below, and once you tap it, you have access to different options like, in this case, putting a solid background behind your text. If you like, it's up to you. You can also switch up the font. Again, it's up to you. But what kind of text would you put as an entrepreneur, as a business owner? Well, definitely something that's funny given how goofy this special effect is. And the sampling that they took from the Reading Rainbow theme song is one where LeVar Burton, who's singing the song, ends up mock crying. So maybe your text is something like a wry observation about what you, maybe as an entrepreneur, might be thinking about or stumped by, or you share what your customers are usually stumped by and upset about. But you then add additional text where you're super quickly sharing how you or your offerings can help them to get out of pain and into pleasure. But look, you're not just creating content just to be funny, witty, or wry. And the content itself, to me, if you're an entrepreneur, isn't all that you focus on. What else do you focus on? Well, let's cover the steps to optimize the content. In addition to anything you say, or in this case, write, in terms of text overlays, how can you best optimize this content when someone does discover it on TikTok? Like, they could have it pop onto their For You page, and if they're following you already, your video should show up on their following page when they first log back into TikTok. But we want to leverage the power of search on TikTok as well as enhance the power of suggestion on the platform, meaning that the algorithms on the platform should be able to surface your content to pick up additional data points about what your content is, what it's about, and who best to serve it up to on the For You page. Because if the algorithm on TikTok, let's say, can engage in more effective digital matchmaking, you'll get more followers, likes, comments, and so on. And every single one of those things can keep a user on the platform longer, which the AI or artificial intelligence likes. So it's going to keep serving out the video to more people while it still performs, leading you to even more business conversions on that platform. More followers, more email list opt-ins, and more sales in the messages on the platform. Because yes, that happens just like it can on Instagram. So it's so important for you to write a caption to correspond with your TikTok content and fit in as many hashtags as you can into that teeny tiny caption, because in total you get up to 100 characters for the caption. And yes, that includes hashtags. So there's no set limit on how many hashtags you can use technically. It's just whatever you can fit in there. And you don't want to use nothing but hashtags, but instead fit in a message that, depending upon the point of that particular piece of content, can either contain a call to action, like click the link in bio, or have a message where you're building up rapport with your ideal customer who's viewing your content. Ideally, the end of each TikTok video should have a call to action in it, in terms of either what you say or a text overlay, or hey, both. And when all else fails, get it in the caption. Because sure, you can score a ton of TikTok followers, but you can't deposit followers into the bank, can you? If this is your TikTok content marketing on behalf of your business, get that call to action in there somewhere, or you run the risk of having posted what's just a random act of content. And once you're done, sure, you can share the content elsewhere, but you might not want to. Subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos on the topic of TikTok, and you'll likely see why. Oh, and also give my friend Marilyn over at Chant Magic on TikTok some love too. Her content's awesome. And look, here's the deal. I'm showing you stuff that's on my demo account on TikTok, but I've had clients of mine go up to over 800,000 on TikTok. So trust me, I've got great advice about how to create content marketing that converts. So now I want to hear from you. Are you going to be giving this trend a try for your business? Well, go ahead, comment below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. This is my advice when it comes to the concept of how an entrepreneur uses the Reading Rainbow trend on TikTok. Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll also teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.